Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard the new Boeing 737 MAX, the redder, hotter, spicier SpiceJet aircraft. The weather outside is just amazing, and so is this aircraft. If you see the wings closely, you'll notice the all-new MAX Advanced Technology winglet. Its aerodynamic engineering increases fuel efficiency by 1.8%. The new tail cone reduces drag and increases fuel efficiency by 1%. The new LEAP engine, made from ultra-light and ultra-strong carbon blades, is larger yet lighter, resulting in more power as 40% lesser noise footprint and a silent cabin. Also, the nitrogen emissions have been reduced by 50%. Isn't it a breath of fresh air? Let me now introduce you to our cabin team. We have with us Devdatta, Sabha, Jessica and Harneet. These lovely ladies will assist you with our new services. The modern sky interior, a color for every mood. Wet towels for a fresh start. A refreshing welcome drink. Back cushions. Ergonomically designed seats with adjustable headrests. That extra bit of comfort for that long journey. A break with SpiceJet's in-flight entertainment. The all-new exhaustive menu. Significantly extra legroom for you to stretch. A bit more of coziness. The sky-high Wi-Fi. Stay connected on the ground and in the air. Well, that's all from the flight deck. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight with the spiciest flight in the air.